Hello everyone, I'm Ajay Singh from Persona Institute. Today we are going to discuss on a very interesting topic. Here are the four students and they are going to discuss on a topic. The topic I will give them later, but first let me clear one thing, especially these students have completed their 4 month in Persona Institute, and now they are ready to debate, now they are ready to discuss on any topic. So all the participants, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, so here we go. I'm going to give you a very interesting topic to discuss today, and the topic is where we can live a good life in a metro city like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, or local city like Khandwa and Indore. So here is a very interesting topic to discuss where we can live a peaceful and good life in a local city or in metro city.
Exactly.
Yes. So from you we are going to start.
Hello everyone. Myself is Sunil Prajapati. I am currently working in an MNC company, and I am right now in Khandwa, and my native place is my Gwalior. So currently we have a topic of metropolitan cities and like urban and rural area. So we have a discussion today behalf of this. Thank you.
Yes.
Myself Urvashi Singh. I am 15 years old and I study in 11th class. So I am going to participate in this group discussion.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Kajal Patidar. I am going to participate in this GD. Thank you.
Yes.
My name is Priya Yadav and I am a school-going girl. I study in 11th standard and I am going to participate in this group discussion.
Okay, so everyone, you all have given your introduction and I hope that you have understood the topic well.
Exactly.
So let's start to discuss on this very interesting topic. Who is going to start? Yes sir, what's your view about it? What do you think about it?
See, actually, recently in a metro city and a metro power town and metropolitan city, they have a very good goods and hospitalizations, education, culture and systems they have provided in urban area. And these kind of facility, there is a no, I would say, suggest there is a no better facility in a urban area, rural area, because I have seen there is a lots of medical facilities, there is no one, and education is a hub in like university, better coaching and classes. So I think that is a very rarely available in a rural area.
Absolutely.
So I would suggest is my favor is for the metropolitan cities like the urban area, rural area.
Okay, sir, strongly believes that one can live a good life in metro cities. Yes, Urvashi, what do you think?
I think metro city is good place to live.
Okay.
Because we have a good facilities over everything, and we have just everything what we needed in any time. So
Yes.
I think metro cities are best place to live.
Okay, she also believes that metro cities is the best to live. Here's the Kajal.
Sir, I don't think that metro city is good to live. I think that in local city we can live a good life and peaceful life.
Okay.
I have so many points to put on the local city. First of all, I want to tell that in local city, a rich and poor can survive. In a metro city, only rich can survive. But in local city, poor and rich men can survive easily.
Absolutely.
And if we talk about foods and all other things, we can get on a low price. In metro city, they charges a lot, and poor can't afford this.
Absolutely.
So I am in a favor of local city.
Okay, but don't you think that we don't find good schools, good hospitals in local
Sir,
cities?
if we have talent, we can do anything at any place. But if we have no talent, then what is the main reason to live in a metro city?
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, yes.
So actually I want to state that I am in the favor of metro city.
Okay.
In metro city we get all kinds of facilities like school, hospital and vehicles also, because in a rural area we have to travel by our foots and in metro city we don't have to travel on our foots. So we have in that we get vehicles and we get good education system also. So I am in the favor of metro city.
Okay, I have questions to all of you that,
Yeah.
especially in the medical facilities, if we compare between metro cities and local cities, so somehow we find that the metro cities are better than local cities in the field of medical, especially in the field of medical, especially, you know. Kajal, here what do you want to say?
But if we watch through economical condition of the people, I
Yeah.
think that local city is good for us. We can get all the things easily here because local city, nearby cities, there are so many villages situated. We can get things in a low time. If we are living in a metro city, we don't what we want, we don't get in a less time.
Okay. Now here is one more questions to all of you. Now tell me one thing that where we can live a peaceful and meaningful life.
So obviously in a local city.
Now in the metro city there is a much traffic.
I suggest
Yeah.
because I agree with Kajal, because Kajal is say because in like a rural area and like a non-metro cities they are having a lots of peaceful life
Yeah.
and without any distractions and traffics and but in a rare need of hospitalization and studies.
Yeah.
But see, currently situation is our India is going to a better educations and better healthy life for a basically need for this kind of two basic need for a human being of life. So only I can say if only the peaceful life we are residing only in a rural city, so it is not enough for everyone. Okay, so I think I would suggest you if anybody in local residing in like Mumbai and Delhi city, so I see there is a lots of like they are like journey in a local trains and buses. Okay, so they are waiting to line a very long of queue, but they will be managed accordingly a same time of frame in 24 hours. Okay, so I think is a metro city is a good, but in rural is compared to like these both of this of point of element of like hospitalization and studies.
Okay, no doubt we find good studies, we find good hospitals in metro city, but sir, what about the traffic? You know, we have seen that the traffic is the biggest problem in the metro cities.
See, sir, actually, our government is taking a decisions, lots of underground of railway projects and
Yes.
flyovers. So
Flyovers, exactly.
they are taking an initiative of very broadly and broadcast level.
Yes.
So I suggest कि if we are living in a Khandwa, so I am seeing last 7 to 8 years in Khandwa. There is a lots of Dambar Road and municipal corporation and cleaning hygienic places. So and better hospitalization is available in this Khandwa city. So everyone is going to growing step to step in day by day in our life.
Okay.
So I think at present in our rural area there is a no rural. But I can say I suggest him because this is a rural area. But I think this is not a rural area. Every rural area is going to day by day as a going to as a in urban area.
Okay. I just want to know. I just want to ask questions to all of you, right? Where we find much crime, in local city or in metro city?
See, obviously,
Right?
sir, in a urban area.
I asked you earlier that where we can live a peaceful life. You know what? And where there is a peace, there is no crime. Remember it. So no doubt, in the local city we find less crime, but on the other end, in the metro city we find the crime rate so high. Right? What's your opinion about it?
So I'm agree with that. In metro city, there is many crimes happening day by day, and we just
Yeah,
heard the news in newspaper and everything. So it doesn't mean we can't live peaceful life in metro city. If we are not involving in it, so we can live. But if we are distracting by them, so it's the point that we can't live in metro city.
Okay, we don't indulge in that. We don't actually interfere with these all. But
Yeah.
somehow, don't you think these all things affect us directly, indirectly?
Yeah, because when we heard something, when we read the newspaper, we just started thinking about that. Like we have a fear in our mind that
Yeah.
is it not going to happen with us or with me, with my child? It's like this. These thoughts are running out of our mind, so it's also affect us.
Okay, actually, Kajal, here you will get the strong point to speak, I think, because this points is in favor of you.
Yes, sir. I mean, I'm not in a favor of metro city. Obviously, as you all know that, and I want to means explain this point. we are living a peaceful life in a local city. So obviously there is less crime in comparison of metro city. And other point I have, and I want to put my point, that we can get our proper time to our relatives and family members in local city in comparison of metro city. Because if we live in metro city, we try to do like others, that what they are doing we like to do the same.
Exactly.
In that case we don't give our time to our family, even our childs. And in local city we can give proper time to our family members and relatives.
Yes, Piyu, what do you want to say about it?
Sir, I consider that in metro city crime is more than the local city.
Yeah.
But if we will not think about that, the crime zone, I agree with Urvashi.
Yeah.
That exactly what she said is correct. But in metro city, I think people are not that much attracted to others. They do their own things. They are not get affected what others are doing.
Okay.
They are selfish. We can say that in metro city, people are selfish, so they don't think that it is going.
Now
to
she
affect
believes
them.
that the metro cities people are quite selfish, but the local city people, they help each other, right? Is it right, sir? What do you think?
Yes.
No, sir. Actually, I am totally disagree with this point because
Yeah.
I have seen last in a Mumbai bomb blast.
Yeah.
So in last of midnight, around of 10 to 12 of bomb blast, serial bomb blast in different type of places. And in a midnight, there is a lots of people. They are helping to each other and anywhere.
Any time of any calamities or any natural disaster or any this kind of problem, no doubt people come forward to help
Yeah.
each other, one another, no doubt. But I'm talking about in the simple and a peaceful situation where one is need to be helped.
We can't
then-
judge a selfishness to any as per the rural and urban area.
Yeah.
Because they have lots of people are in rural area. They are selfish. They don't help to others. Any other of
I have a
topics.
questions to all of you that where we find unity in local city and in metro city.
Local
Strongly
city-
agree with an rural area
In the local city we find
because
unity.
they are bounding
Right?
in a like in a local of a colony and
Yeah,
villagers
obviously,
in
obviously.
like a household manner
That is-
peoples. So is a totally agree with the rural area and is a very family unity in these
Okay.
places. So
And where we not I have a questions to all. One more question, and this is the last question actually. Where we find the people who are more affected with Western culture? Where we find this kind of people?
Metro city.
Obviously,
Obviously, we find this kind of people in metro cities. Now this is a country India. This is a cultural country, and now we are forgetting our own culture, right? Our politicians, people, they have adopted the Western culture,
Western culture.
right? And somehow we are forgetting our own culture. So don't you think it's quite bad,
Yes.
sir? Your opinion about it?
Sir, actually, I am very few of last your word because there is a lot Western culture is coming in a rural area, in
Yes.
little bit in some places, in somewhere.
Yeah.
So I can't say because this Western culture is not coming in a rural area. Because rural area and like lots of girls and boys they are having a Western like of dresses and they are having of like Western type of like,
Yes, obviously, sir. Yes, your opinion about it. Do you think that the people who are living in metro cities, they have adopted Western culture and they have forget our own Indian culture?
Yes, in some cases, actually, the metro cities are developing, so they are just adopting the model cultures and all. They just want to copy the other countries.
Yes.
So because they want to just maintain a standard. So in that, just maintaining that standard, they are forgetting their own culture, what they have just learned and what they have taught them by their parents or forefathers.
Yes.
So I think it's bad for them. They should follow the culture, and they should in our India we follow the religious
Okay. Now, what do you want to say about
Sir,
it?
as you all know that our India is known as for the culture of the country, and the people who are living in metro city, they are just decreasing the main power for culture. And the villagers and the local peoples are also copying them. So one day we will just lost our culture.
Exactly. Yes, to you.
Yes, sir, I'm in the favor that you had told.
Hmm.
In metro city, people are copying the other countries. They just want to outshine each other.
Okay.
They just want to outshine other countries and showing that our country is best and developing country. But in actual, we are hurting our customs, and we know that India is a country which has many religions and all that. So basically, we are hurting our customs and traditions.
Okay. Chali everyone, so thank you so much everybody. Now we have discussed a lot on this topic, and let me conclude the topic in the last by saying few lines about the topic. So if we talk about these metro city life and local city life, so no doubt it depends upon person to person. Some people they feel that the life of metro city is good, but at the same time some feel that living in local city is quite easy and quite comfortable, because they find the life of metro city is quite tough and very boring, because they don't want to live the fashionable life, they don't want to go into pub and party and do all these activities, they don't like this, so they don't prefer this life. But at the same time, many people, especially the youngsters and youth, they prefer to live in the metro city because they find everything over there, that's why. And they find the bright-minded people over there, right? The people who don't say them anything, so they feel comfortable among them. So this topic is actually never-ending topic. This topic has no end. So we are going to conclude this topic by saying that it depends on person to person, right? So thank you everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you for participating for this.
Yes. Thank you everybody. Okay.